This is the Arrowhead Brass PK2006 stem assembly for the 420 series faucets. Now this is the PK2006, so it is for the 6-inch wall thickness. So we'll go ahead and get it out here. The package will come, of course, with the complete stem assembly and a short little list of installation instructions right here on the packaging as well. So we'll take a couple measurements of this stem. Keep in mind, when taking measurements of these stems, you want to make sure that this springless check assembly right here, this little rubber funnel shaped piece here, is pressed into the body. Turn it that way right there. See, from tip to tip of the stem, so the head of that screw here to the tip here, it will measure right at about 10 inches. So once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK2006 stem assembly.